Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2647 indicates a malfunction in the rocker arm oil pressure system, specifically when the rocker arm oil pressure sensor's output remains high while the rocker arm oil control solenoid is off. This condition prompts the powertrain control module, PCM, to log the error, indicating a potential issue with the component's functionality. The rocker arm oil pressure system plays a crucial role in controlling oil flow to the VTEC, variable valve timing and lift electronic control system, essential for optimal engine performance. The rocker arm oil pressure sensor, located on the rocker arm oil control valve assembly, measures oil pressure and sends this data to the PCM. A consistent high reading from this sensor when the solenoid is off signifies a fault needing immediate attention. The error P2647 is associated with the rocker arm oil pressure sensor, the rocker arm oil control valve, and the PCM. The rocker arm oil pressure sensor is a critical component that measures the oil pressure supplied to the rocker arm assembly. It is responsible for ensuring that the correct amount of oil is available for effective engine operation, especially in systems utilizing VTEC. The rocker arm oil control valve, located near the rocker arms, regulates oil flow based on commands from the PCM. The PCM utilizes this information to optimize engine performance by adjusting valve timing. Correct functioning of these components is crucial, as any faults can lead to decreased engine efficiency and increased emissions, and may even risk engine damage. The potential causes for DTC P2647 include a faulty rocker arm oil pressure sensor, issues with the rocker arm oil control valve, and problems related to the engine oil pressure itself. A malfunctioning sensor may provide incorrect signals to the PCM, thereby causing it to erroneously assume a high-pressure condition. Similarly, if the rocker arm oil control valve is stuck or malfunctioning, it may not open or close correctly, affecting oil distribution. Another notable aspect is low oil pressure, which can arise from several factors, like insufficient lubrication due to leaks or degraded oil. These causes must be thoroughly inspected to remedy the P2647 error effectively. Symptoms of DTC P2647 typically include increased engine noise, poor engine performance, and an illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. A high reading from the rocker arm oil pressure sensor can lead to the VTEC system not engaging properly, resulting in decreased engine response and efficiency. This situation can trigger other warning lights, indicating that the vehicle's PCM has detected an abnormality in the lubrication system. Additionally, the driver may notice unusual engine sounds, particularly under load, as insufficient oil flow can lead to inadequate lubrication of the valve train components. Awareness of these symptoms is key to diagnosing and addressing the P2647 issue promptly. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P2647 is to start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load. This can be done with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, in park or neutral, or a manual transmission in neutral. Maintaining this speed allows for observing the operation of the rocker arm oil pressure system under specific conditions. Following this, executing the Honda Diagnostic System HDS VTEC test helps verify if the VTEC solenoid valve is functioning correctly. This procedure lays the foundation for further diagnostic measures by ensuring the basic operational parameters of the engine and its related systems are correct. In the second troubleshooting step, it's essential to check the engine oil level before proceeding with other inspections to ensure there are no lubrication issues impacting the rocker arm system. Following this, the rocker arm oil pressure sensor and rocker arm oil control valve must be inspected for any signs of wear or malfunction. Evaluation includes analyzing mechanical connection points and ensuring there are no obstructions. Moreover, testing the pressure signals from these components will assist in identifying if any are outputting abnormal data to the PCM. Properly diagnosing these parts is crucial, as the results will direct the next steps in the troubleshooting process. The rocker arm oil pressure sensor inspection requires disconnecting the 3P connector first. Once disconnected, the sensor should be removed from its mount on the rocker arm oil control valve. This allows for the direct attachment of diagnostic tools like pressure gauges to assess oil pressure levels. The normal oil pressure reading should be less than 49 kilopascal when the VTEC solenoid valve is off. If, during this assessment, readings appear to be outside of this specified range, it indicates an issue with the sensor itself that may require replacement. Accurate assessment during this inspection informs the decision on whether the sensor can be repaired or if it must be entirely replaced. If all other inspection items are normal, the last step is to evaluate the rocker arm oil control valve for faults. The valve should be checked for blockages, which might prevent it from functioning correctly. Additionally, examining the valve for any signs of mechanical damage or wear is essential, as these factors may cause it to stick, leading to oil pressure inconsistencies. Proper function is crucial because this valve regulates the oil flow critical for VTEC operation. If any issues are found during this inspection, the valve will likely need servicing or replacement to restore normal operation and eliminate the DTC P2647. After completing necessary repairs, it's important to perform a final verification. This includes rechecking oil pressure levels to ensure they meet specifications and reflect normal functioning of the rocker arm oil pressure system. Following this, confirm the engine's performance under previously stated conditions, particularly watching for any symptoms that may indicate lingering issues related to the VTEC operation. Ensure that all diagnostic trouble codes, DTC, are cleared following the repairs, allowing the PCM to refresh its monitoring system. This step ensures there are no remaining errors logged that could confuse future diagnostics. Finally, monitor the vehicle for a brief testing period to ensure the issue does not reoccur. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding DTC P2647 and ensuring optimal performance of the rocker arm oil pressure system. Regular oil level checks can help catch any potential lubrication issues early before they escalate into more significant problems. Using high-quality engine oil, as specified by Honda, will also help maintain engine cleanliness and proper functioning of vital components, including sensors and valves. Routine inspections of the rocker arm oil pressure sensor and control valve can pinpoint wear and tear before leading to failure. This proactive approach ensures that the engine operates smoothly and efficiently, significantly reducing the risk of encountering error codes like P2647. In conclusion, understanding the roles of the rocker arm oil pressure sensor, rocker arm oil control valve, and PCM is essential for effectively managing DTC P2647. Promptly assessing and recognizing symptoms can lead to quicker diagnostics and ensure minimal disruption to engine performance. Following systematic troubleshooting steps, including thorough inspections and pressure tests, helps identify and rectify issues accurately. Implementing routine preventive maintenance protocols can further enhance the reliability of these critical engine components. Overall, having a comprehensive approach to managing these errors not only promotes vehicle longevity, but also improves the driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.